我想办理入住。
I'd like to check in.
我想办理入住。
I'd like to check in.
好的，请问您有预定吗？
Sure. Do you have a reservation?
好的，请问您有预定吗？
Sure. Do you have a reservation?
有，我昨天在网上订的。
Yes, I booked online yesterday.
有，我昨天在网上订的。
Yes, I booked online yesterday.
好的，请问您叫什么名字？
Great. May I have your name, please?
好的，请问您叫什么名字？
Great. May I have your name, please?
我叫大卫。
My name is David.
我叫大卫。
My name is David.
好的，请稍等，我查一下。
All right, one moment while I check.
好的，请稍等，我查一下。
All right, one moment while I check.
好的，找到了。您订了3晚。
Yes, I found it. You booked 3 nights.
好的，找到了。您订了3晚。
Yes, I found it. You booked 3 nights.
对，我住到星期五。
That's right. I'm staying until Friday.
对，我住到星期五。
That's right. I'm staying until Friday.
请把护照给我一下。
Could I see your passport, please?
请把护照给我一下。
Could I see your passport, please?
好的，给你。
Sure, here you go.
好的，给你。
Sure, here you go.
谢谢，请稍等一下。
Thank you. Just a moment, please.
谢谢，请稍等一下。
Thank you. Just a moment, please.
没问题。
No problem.
没问题。
No problem.
这是您的房卡。
Here's your room key.
这是您的房卡。
Here's your room key.
谢谢，我的房间在几楼？
Thanks. What floor is my room on?
谢谢，我的房间在几楼？
Thanks. What floor is my room on?
在8楼，房间是812。
It's on the 8th floor, room 812.
在8楼，房间是812。
It's on the 8th floor, room 812.
好的，电梯在哪里？
Okay. Where's the elevator?
好的，电梯在哪里？
Okay. Where's the elevator?
就在右边，一直往前走。
It's on your right. Just walk straight ahead.
就在右边，一直往前走。
It's on your right. Just walk straight ahead.
请问早餐在哪里吃？
Where is breakfast served?
请问早餐在哪里吃？
Where is breakfast served?
在一楼的餐厅。
It's served in the restaurant on the first floor.
在一楼的餐厅。
It's served in the restaurant on the first floor.
早餐几点开始？
What time does breakfast start?
早餐几点开始？
What time does breakfast start?
早上7点到10点。
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
早上7点到10点。
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
好的，需要另外付钱吗？
Okay. Do I need to pay extra?
好的，需要另外付钱吗？
Okay. Do I need to pay extra?
不用，早餐已经包括在房费里了。
No, breakfast is already included.
不用，早餐已经包括在房费里了。
No, breakfast is already included.
那太好了，
That's great.
那太好了。
That's great.
酒店有 WiFi 吗？
Does the hotel have Wi-Fi?
酒店有 WiFi 吗？
Does the hotel have Wi-Fi?
有，房间里也可以用。
Yes, and you can use it in your room.
有，房间里也可以用。
Yes, and you can use it in your room.
密码是什么？
What's the password?
密码是什么？
What's the password?
密码写在这个卡套上。
The password is written on this card holder.
密码写在这个卡套上。
The password is written on this card holder.
好的，我看到了。
Okay, I see it.
好的，我看到了。
Okay, I see it.
还有什么需要帮忙的吗？
Is there anything else I can help you with?
还有什么需要帮忙的吗？
Is there anything else I can help you with?
暂时没有了，谢谢。
That's all for now, thank you.
暂时没有了，谢谢。
That's all for now, thank you.
不客气，祝您住得愉快。
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
不客气，祝您住得愉快。
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.